Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to fully disconnect your AirPods from your iPhone. Apple has made it very simple. If you're currently using your iPhone but simply want to disconnect, just put the AirPods back in their case and close it. They'll automatically disconnect. Now, if you want to disconnect them manually, go to the Settings app. You should see your AirPods at the top. If not, go into Bluetooth settings, find your AirPods, and click on the little eye information icon next to them. This takes you to the AirPod settings. To disconnect, scroll to the bottom and click Disconnect. Now they are manually disconnected. But if you want your iPhone to forget the Bluetooth connection or disconnect them from your Apple ID, here's what to do. Again, go to Settings, then back to Bluetooth settings. Click the eye information icon next to your AirPods. This time, click Forget this device at the very bottom, and then confirm by clicking Forget Device. Heads up! This will disconnect them from all your devices and your iCloud account. Once you're ready, click Forget Device. As you can see, they've disappeared from the list. These AirPods no longer have ownership and are ready to connect to a new device. Bonus tip. If you're planning on selling your AirPods, I recommend factory resetting them to remove any additional information. To factory reset, open the case, making sure the earpieces are inside. Find the button on the back of the case. Press and hold this button until the LED light on the front starts flashing amber. This should take about 5 to 15 seconds. Once it's flashing amber, release the button and close the lid. This means your AirPods have been fully factory reset and are safe to pass on to a new owner. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to Fix Zone for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching.